guys, we're getting this thing tinted. Let's go. Let's go. And that car tinted. Let's go. Oh, my toes. Okay, guys, we just pulled up to the tinting place, and it's kind of like low-key a little bit sketch, but it's fine. And you see that man right there? Yeah, he's the sketchiest one of them all. It's my dad. Okay, guys, we're literally here. Dad's van just got tinted, and now the mom's car is gonna get tinted. Hey guys, this is my car. See how see-through it is? Yeah. Tint guy right here. Really good. Alright, see this? It's gotta be 5%. Okay, I'm gonna snap my fingers and it's gonna go to 5%. Ready? Wait, can you pause it for me? Because I can't do it. 1, 2, 3. Can you stop recording me? Bam, guys. 5% tint on the window.
It's actually kind of tinted the front.
So, the front is tinted. It's really tinted. This is 5%. 5%. 5%. 15.
This is not.
And now we're gonna see if I can change my rims.
Even more tinted than that.
You can't even can barely see in it. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I took mom out for breakfast, except she drove, but it's fine. Okay, this drink is gonna be right here. Ready, set. Bam, guys. Fire. Mom, what do you think of my drink? Ooh, fire. What are you getting?
I don't know. It's too much good suggestions.
She's deciding. She's deciding. Me personally, I'm gonna be getting the biscuits and gravy, so I'm gonna snap, and it's gonna be right here. 1, 2, 3. Bam, guys! Look how fire! What is this? Ooh, look how fire! Take that.
I like the Zoom videos.
Oops. Okay, guys, we just had breakfast. Mom, what do you have to say?
Thank you, Michaela.
What do you have to say to me? That I'm your favorite best daughter ever, yes? Yes! Here, let me get the door for you.
Oh, thank
Sit
you.
down. Okay, guys, we made it to Home Goods, and guess what Mom was just singing? Sing it again.
No, I'm not good.
She's saying, cut it. Cut it.
I said,
Yeah!
shut it.
No? Sing it.
Yes.
Okay, guys, our Home Goods trip is done. This is what we got.
It's too fast.
Oh, oh.
Good.
Look how cute, guys.